My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. My books depend on the Islamic Gunism. This is the book Invaders and its Impacts by Vijay Kumar Pal. So you can read and purchase my book on the Amazon, Flipkart. There is lot of books I have written. Another book is Discriminated Hindus by Vijay Kumar Pal, mainly published on the Saswat publication or Rudra publication. So my dear friend, today we will discuss about the victim card of the Muslims. Whenever the Muslims read the Quran and learning the Quranic ideology in the Islamic schools known as the madrasas, because as you well aware that the Quran is a fictitious book, depends on the hypothetical values or the immoral values of the Quran and the Islam, which is known as the Islamic jurisprudence, the fiqh or the Sharia. The Shariat, the Islamic laws, which is totally injustice against the non-Muslims. Because base of Islam on the disparity against the non-Muslims, that the Jews, Christians, and the Hindus and other communities which are not having the faith in the fallacy of the Allah or the fabricated Allah which was created by so-called Prophet Muhammad. So Islam is totally a falsehood, but it is dangerous whenever a Muslim goes to the madrasa or the Islamic school to teach the jurisprudence or the fiqh of the Islam. A soft human nature, having soft human nature, that is the child of the Muslim, became a terrorist, become a certified goon or became a certified criminal according to the Islamic ideology. And whenever these Muslims comes from the madrasa or Islamic schools, they came out in the world of the non-Islamic countries. They started to impose the hooliganism of the Islam, which is certified terrorism. And this is why every madrasa student or the Islamic student who studied in the Islamic schools, which is known as the madrasa in Arabic language, is certified goon, certified criminal, because the teaching of Islam is the such type or alike. It propagates the violence against the non-Muslims in the name of the fallacy of Allah, because Muhammad, the so-called self-proclaimed prophet of Islam, was the criminal in nature, and he adopted a such violent ideology or created a such violence or ideology in the name of the Allah. He facilitated all the criminology, including all the heinous crimes which are described in the book of the law, that such and such the crimes are very heinous crime and the non-believable according to the law of the all over countries, including India, Pakistan and Bangladesh and other Islamic countries. As for instance, the Islam promote the rapes with the non-Muslim woman, which is a special rape ideology or jurisprudence of the rape, which is known as the Tehrus rape or the Tehrus Balatkar in Hindi. In this terrorist rape or the balatkar, many Muslim encircled a woman which is non-Muslim and tried to touch her. And who will touch her first? Then he will become the rapist of that woman. And this type of humiliation or the molestation continues till the last Muslim or the Islamic goons or the criminal could rape that innocent woman. So Islam is the ocean of the rapist. Islam is the ocean of the criminals. And who was the head of this criminal ideology, which is known as Islam? The mentor is the self-proclaimed prophet, the first and last prophet of Islam, Muhammad bin Abdullah. This is the greatest lie of this world, that there were 1,24,000 prophets in Islam. No, it is not correct. Because Muhammad was a cunning person, he stolen all the prophets from the Judaism and the Christians and converted them into the Arabic prophet or the messenger of Allah. Allah is not belong to the Judaism or the Christianity or the Hinduism. Allah is a fallacy. As I told earlier my video, that Allah was created by Muhammad for his vested interest. And Muhammad offered the namaz in those mosques which were not built at the time of the Muhammad life, as Al-Aqsa or the Baitul Muqaddas in Jerusalem, and the other mosque, the Al-Haram Masjid of the Kaaba in Mecca, which was built by the many caliphates, second and third caliphate respectively, in 635 and 705 after the death of the Muhammad. But Muhammad was the greatest liar. He told to his companion that he went to meet Allah and offered or performed the namaz in these two mosques. So this is one of the greatest liar, which is known as the Prophet of Islam, Muhammad. So there is no link. All the messengers which belong to the Judaism, the Christianity, that they are the messenger of the Islam. Nothing else. The Muhammad was the only one prophet, last and first, or the self-proclaimed prophet. So Muhammad committed so heinous crime. And when a Muslim teaching or teaches the Islamic education, it is a perfect Gunism or the hooliganism. And when any non-Muslim country or non-Muslim army or a non-Muslim civilian try to oppose this ideology, heinous criminology of the Islam, the Muslim world is crying that Islam is in danger and we are helpless people. You are not helpless people, but you are certified goon or the certified criminal. If you are in much power or too large number, you are very, very brutal and killer. And you have the cruelty. It is the history with the evidences that where the Islamic Goonism started, all the civilization destructed, devastated by these Islamic criminals. Because Islam is a group of the criminals, certified criminals. I am not saying this from any other book, but that book which is related to the Islam. I am saying after reading the Quran, that the Quran is the base of the criminology of the Islam. So Quran and the Islamic Madrasa must be banned from on this earth. It is our duty to the non-Muslims to ban all the Muslim mosque or the worshipper place, because the worship of the Islam is a totally Gunism, totally the criminology. Even every namaz or the prayer They are abusing you in 48 times throughout 24 hours. In every verse of the Quran, almost all the verses Quran are abusing you. When the Quran and the Muslims are abusing the non-Muslims, nobody will give you a bouquet of the flowers to the Muslims. This is the duty of the non-Muslims, that they must oppose the Islam with the double force to eliminate these Islamic goons or the terrorism. My dear friend, which are the non-Muslims and are thinking that the Islam is a good ideology? No, and never Islam can be good. Because the Quran is the book of the criminology. Quran is the book of pornography. Quran is the lesson for the Quran is the lesson for the Muslims, how to rape with a non-Muslim woman, how to rob the wealth or looted the wealth of the non-Muslims, how to encroach the land in the name of the Allah, because all the land is of the Allah, belong to Allah. But it is very amazing that there is no Allah, because I earlier told in this video that the Muhammad told a lie that he performed the namaz in two mosques, which was not built in the during the Muhammad life or the life. Then what was the order to Muhammad from the side of Allah to meet Allah? This is our fallacy and the fabricated story. There was no Allah at all. Muhammad never went to meet Allah. But in the name of Allah, he created the hooliganism or the goonism or the criminal ideology, which is written in the Quran. Quran is the not Allah voice, because there is no Allah. That no question arises that the Quran is the voice of the Allah. The Quran is the voice of the Muhammad, which was a certified criminal in his mind, or he was criminal mind, we can say. And he covered up all this criminology in the name of the fallacy of the Allah, that Allah is ordered. Allah is ordered to rape with a non-Muslim woman, to robbery of the non-Muslim, especially the Jews, tribes, the caravans, business caravans. So what type of this Allah? This is all the fact that there was no Allah, but Muhammad was a certified criminal mind. This is why he adopted such ideology to make a fallacy of the Allah or the creator, because in every cult, creator is essential. Whether in Judaism or the Christianity or the Hinduism or the Sanatan Vedic culture, there is a God, Yahweh, Yahweh or the Ishwar or Paramatma. So this was the essential to Muhammad, to make a false God. Though all the imagination of the God is, these are all imaginary God, whether belong to any society. Because you could not prove that Jehovah, Yahweh or the Paramatma, we never seen them. But this is the criminal mind of the Muhammad, that the creator of the Islam, which is known as Allah, he performed such heinous crime, the rape, the killing, merciless killing of even the women. Muhammad killed so many women who were the poetess at that time. Asma bint Marwan, one of the poetess, who was killed by the Muhammad with brutality. Her younger child, age only 2 years, was suckling the milk from his mother, her mother, and when a blind man came to the hut of that woman, Asma bint Marwan, and killed by the knife, and he thrown out his baby, which was suckling the milk of his mother, on the floor of the mud of the hut, and he was also died with his mother. When these Muslims are praising that Allah is very kind, very knowledgeable. Allah is nothing knowledgeable. Because Islamic Allah does not know how the creation of this earth. According to Allah, earth is flat, just like a bed sheet. And the mountain was put it on the surface of earth to save earth from the tempest or the heavy wind. Otherwise, this earth will be flew or wipe out. This is the stupidity of Allah. We cannot ignore the criminology of the Muhammad in the name of the Allah. If Allah is criminal, Allah is real person, that he is also likewise to beaten by the shoes of the non-Muslims as the Muhammad. We cannot spare this criminal ideology in the name of the Muhammad and the Allah. Both are the rascal person. Muhammad is a reality, but Allah is not the reality. So Muhammad is a rogue and a rascal person. And after teaching the or learning the teaching of the Muhammad, every Muslim is a terrorist, every Muslim is a rapist, every Muslim is a certified criminal if he does accordingly. But all the Muslims are not doing accordingly, because some of them are the good people. They are not Muslim. Only by the name you cannot assign them that they are Muslims, because all the Arabic nomenclature is alike, and the most of the Jewish people, when the Muhammad was alive, that their names were alike as the Muslims' names. As Abu Sufyan was not a Muslim, he was a Jews. So we should not forget that all Arabic people having the Arabic nomenclature are not the Muslims. Either they are ex-Muslims or they are the good person, but not the Muslims. Because a Muslim cannot be a good person. A certified Muslim, a perfect Muslim who follow the Quran is a certified criminal. And we should not have not any sympathy to these Muslims which are certified criminals, are doing the act according to the Muhammad teaching or the Sunnah of the Muhammad. They are certified criminal. The main villain of this society is the Muhammad, who is a certified criminal, and his ideology, that is the Islam, is a certified criminology, and this is our right to fight against this Islamic hooliganism at any cost, by virtue of the power of the arms or the weaponry, or by virtue of the logics. But the brainwashed Muslim cannot teach the logics or the truth, because he is following the great liar of this society or great rascal person of this society, which is known as the Muhammad. Thank you very much.